Hey plugettes, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm showing you the plugin that corrects your headphones. As you probably know, all headphones color the sound, especially mine, and this Sony MDR7506 are a classic studio headphones, but with their own frequency response. So if I want more natural sound and more flat frequency response, I can use this plugin called MMatcher from Melda Production. Now I'm showing you how to set up. Okay, this is the plugin, and put at the end of your master chain, drop it on the master bus at the last of the chain after your other effects like EQ compression, and turn the headphone here in on. Go to your reference headphones. I have the Sony MDR, and here we have my, and now my Sony are corrected. Okay, just listen.
I just want you to dig it up, dig it up. You know my heart in the grave, dig it up. Yeah, when you were down, I picked you up. I said my vows and put you on. I'm seeking real love, I don't waste time. I gave you a piece of me at the wrong time. You've been searching deep for peace of mind. I heard that shit. I just want you to dig it up, dig it up. You know my heart in the grave, dig it up. Yeah, when you were down, I picked you up. I said my vows and put you on.
So important, don't bounce with it on. This plugin is just for listening. Turn it off before you export your mix, or it will mess up all final sound. Okay, for today it's all. You can use this plugin for mixing. We have a lot of stuff to explore. Go download, it's free for 15 days. And for today it's all. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next time. Peace.